Here we are in beautiful Freeway Entrance, California. The good old Volvo has decided to leak from the likeliest of leak points. Those two little quick disconnects, inexplicable quick disconnects that go through the firewall to the heater core. Incongruously brilliant engineering there. And we have a good, I don't know, probably another 10 miles uphill before we get to the nice easy downhill and we can let the engine take a break. But I don't know if we'll make it with this leak. In the space of about, I want to say 2 miles, it went from the max fill line to the minimum fill line. But I have a plan. In my trunk o' junk, I just happened to have this coolant hose that I ordered for this car. It happens to go to a different model year or a different engine configuration or something. I wound up not being able to use it, and I have these two hose clamps. If I wait for the car to cool off enough to the point where the coolant is no longer trying to boil if I relieve pressure on the system, I can disconnect those heater hoses, plug the ends of them, and hopefully without losing too much coolant, bypass the heater core using this little hose and these two hose clamps, abating the problem until further inspection. And here we have it. The pinnacle of, engine's still hot. Pinnacle of backwoods engineering. Got those hose clamps on there. I am definitely going to cut those stupid quick disconnects out of the car and just use some 5/8 coolant hose straight to the heater core through the firewall. We should be good to go. Just gotta kind of test it. Make sure it's not gonna leak or swell under pressure. Garbage. Okay, hot test. I added some coolant up to what I thought was a safe level. We're just gonna let it heat up at on its own time and see what happens. Maybe it'll be really exciting. I hope not. We made it! It held. Coolant level is normal. Good job, Volvo.